Hey gang, I'm Steve from Speed Wiring Products, and I'm here today to introduce to you our new BWH bulkhead wire harness installation kits. Now, a lot of automotive projects today, whether they're for racing, restoration, or hot rod, may require some level of wiring to go from inside the cab through the firewall and into your engine compartment. Well, some of the options on the market today include really expensive connector kits with contacts, and then you have to purchase very expensive crimp tools in order to terminate those correctly. Then you have to deal with the reliability issues, and not to mention all the colors of wires that you'd have to buy if you want to differentiate all of your signals within your circuitry. Well, here at Speed, we've got a really great solution for you. Our BWH kits come in both a 12, 8, and 6 circuit version. And what we've done is we've created a connector system here that allows you to go right through your firewall and create a bulkhead style connection. Now, the kit includes 5 feet of wire that goes on the inside of your cab to go underneath your dash to go to all your gauges or signals or switches. Then on the engine compartment side, we've got 12 feet of wire, enough length to get all the way to that furthest headlight and signal. Some of the things you may want to wire, we're talking about headlights, signals, horns, maybe sensors on your motor. Maybe you're running nitrous solenoids and you want to be able to disconnect this to pull the engine out real easily and not have to disconnect wires. So you need a modular connectorized system. Well, here, let me show you how this works. So on the firewall, you're going to drill a small hole where this bulkhead connector will mount to. In this case, for the 12 circuit version, you're going to need a simple 2-inch hole. That's it. No additional holes for screws or locks or anything like that. Once you have that hole up in your firewall, this connector is going to feed right through. We've got weatherproof seal on the inside. We also have all weatherproof terminals on the inside of the connector itself. We've then developed this special locking ring. This locking ring slides over your harness and goes up onto the connector assembly itself. So in order to put this in place, all you do is line up the dots on the back side, rotate it into place, and give it a firm twist, and it's locked. We also provide additional rubber seals so that you can build up the distance between your firewall to make it nice and tight and waterproof. If you do need to remove this, there is a tab you can depress and you can turn the ring the opposite direction and you'll be able to pull it off. Once that's mounted in your system, now you're ready to mount and wire the connector for the inside of the engine compartment. To connectorize these, all you do is line up the main tabs, push them together real tight. You'll hear an audible click. Then you engage this locking tab. Now your connector system is tight, it's not coming apart. In order to get it separated, pull back on the tab, depress this button really hard, and you can disconnect it from your firewall. Now, anything in your engine bay, your engine itself, can be disconnected and removed very easily. So within the kit, we want your installation to look professional, and we know you do too. So we want to give you all of the accessories necessary to do that. We include 15 feet of the split loom, zip ties, and weatherproof butt splices to give you enough for every wire in your system. With the loom, we give you the split kind, which everybody likes. This is the kind that curls back up over itself. It makes a nice, easy, simple dressing. You can tuck it up right inside the back shell of this connector and offer a nice clean look. If you need to have wires breaking out, this allows you to do that very easily. Pull the wires out, have them go to the direction you need to go, or if you need to go in and make additional modifications to your circuitry, you can do that without having to cut it and clean it right back up again. The kit also includes full installation instructions. So we tell you everything you need to do. We make it nice and simple. We're very clear and concise. We also make it clear what the gauge wiring and the current rating is and the capacity for every system. Every harness utilizes 14 gauge TXL wire. It's the automotive grade, it's the high-end stuff. It's resistant to any kind of oils, gasolines, or acids, perfect for automotive use. We know you race guys are also very concerned about weight. This whole system right here is just under 3 pounds. At Speed Wiring Products, we want to put the speed in wiring, and we want your installation to come out professional every single time. Check out our website, speedwiringproducts.com, give our products a shot, and see how we can put the speed in wiring for your next project.